Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the Google app or the standalone Google Lens app. This immediately places you where history controls live. Tap the lens icon, then tap your profile photo or the three-dot menu to reach settings. That's the first actionable step. Make sure lens activity recording is enabled so entries are saved. Otherwise, there will be nothing to view. Once done, return to the lens main screen so you can navigate into the activity or history panel in the next step. Now you dig into the middle steps. Go to Settings and pick Search History or Your Data in Search. That link centralizes lens entries. Use the built-in filters to narrow by date range, device, or content type so you don't scroll forever. Tap an individual entry to see the image, recognized objects, and the context Google stored. This is where you understand why Lens suggested results. If needed, use the export or delete options linked to each item to manage entries as you review. To finish, decide whether to keep, delete, or export entries. Tap the delete icon for single items or choose clear activity to remove everything. If you prefer no future records, turn off lens activity. Make sure you repeat this on every device using the same account. If history seems missing, check which Google account is signed in, confirm activity sync is enabled, and force refresh the app or sign out and back in. That usually resolves account or sync mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.